Have you ever wondered what inside the landing gear well of the Boeing 737-800 during flap retraction looks like? In the Boeing 737, flap and landing gear retraction are independent processes, but they are coordinated to optimize performance and flight characteristics. After takeoff, we retract the flaps sequentially, waiting for specific speeds before the next retraction. The landing gear is also retracted after achieving sufficient speed. The gear lever on some 737 models includes an OFF position to remove hydraulic pressure from the gear system once the gear is mechanically locked in the retracted. Like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button before I show you. Are you done? And here is what it looks like.